All Things Unexplained.
So some of that, I think, sir, we'll save for closed session.
Okay, let's finish with some shocking new video in the Neil McCasland case. Let's head back over to Red Panda Koala on X. Be sure to give him a follow. This is police body cam footage released by first responders, and this is General McCasland's wife.
He's very, very active physically and has always had a very sharp mind, retired Major General from PhD from MIT.
Oh, wow.
And he's been feeling brain fog. Please have a seat. His name is William Neil McCasland. He goes by Neil, N-E-I. McCasland. So anyway, today he was quite down and kind of clingy, which is unusual. And I had a doctor's appointment. I remember looking at my car clock. I backed out at 11:10. And I was back by around noon and he was gone. And I found his phone turned off and left on his stand. I found his smartwatch plugged in the bathroom. And all the cars are here, bicycles are here, so he has to be. I found the shirt he was wearing when I left in the closet, so I don't know what he was wearing.
Wow, so just some whole new layers there from General McCasland's wife. First of all, she mentions brain fog again. That sort of came in from the 911 call we heard earlier. She said he was down and clingy, not quite acting his normal self, just like what we heard from his Space Force meeting the night before. She found that his phone was still there, turned off, which is interesting. Smartwatch, still there. All the cars there, so she assumes he's on foot. And apparently he's changed clothes because the shirt he had on is back in his closet. Okay, so General Neil McCasland, Monica Reza, both sadly still missing. These are real cases, real missing persons, active cases. We should continue to pray for their safe recovery, pray for the loved ones, friends, and family, and we'll look to keep you updated. So stay tuned. Check out our playlist with our previous videos on these cases.